Today we take you to a fun day in Kranjska Gora, a beautiful little ski town in the middle of Triglav National Park in Slovenia. It's our last day already in this amazing country. It was our first visit and it will not be our last.
Morning. Normally, we said yesterday after the very long and tough hike, nobody has to get up. We're going to sleep long.
Yeah,
At 7 o'clock it was like, no, 6:45. My eyes go open, and when my eyes go open, it's done. I cannot turn myself to the other side and sleep further. It's not possible. I get a headache if I do that. So we're going to the bakery. Normally this morning it will rain the whole morning. It rained just like 30 minutes, 45 minutes ago. But now it's okay. Maybe it will rain a little bit more. Gora, it's the last day. It's really beautiful. And although the weather is it's not good, then you have that scenery. Look at the clouds between the mountains there too. What do you say?
watch out!
Watch out. Oh, watch out. My wife is always looking down. And now she's going to put it in the grass so nobody will step on it. She's an amazing animal lover and all kinds of animals, bugs, everything. She rescues everything.
I got sticky fingers now.
It's full of these snails on the road here. You cannot rescue everybody. It's not open. It's not open on Sunday. I hope the other one will be open.
I don't think so.
Otherwise it will be... Oh, we had a bakery. We saw a bakery yesterday. Okay. No. Not open. Okay. Let's see if the bakery is open. Plenty of choice here, but it will be sold very quickly because everybody is coming here. So I don't think 1 hour later you will have a lot of choice. So the kids were already awake. They didn't sleep very long. I think they are in the rhythm of getting up early, but nobody was feeling to walk to the lake. It's just 5 kilometers, but after yesterday they don't like it. They just want to hang there with their phone and see some TikToks and some YouTube films and just chilling. So no problem for us. We want to see, well, my wife saw it already, the lake, because 2 days ago she ran to the lake, but I wanted to see it, and it's just 5 kilometers. So
I'm a volunteer.
yeah, you're a volunteer, but you're not the person to sit in the couch.
Look,
and
TikTok!
no TikTok. And although they say it was going to be bad weather conditions this morning, look. Oh, I didn't have my hat. Oh. So it's really beautiful here with the view there, and then they are putting here a bench. What do you think about the view?
It's beautiful, but
Yes.
you can look over there.
Oh, you can look over there, yes. But in the front, This is Lake Jasna. It's a small lake. It's not like it's Bled Lake or Boinch Lake, but it's really beautiful. If you want to have a calm day, just a little swim, not too crowded. I don't know how it is going to be this afternoon, but if you don't want it to have too crowded, because Bled, for me, it was a little bit too touristic. I liked the view at that church in the middle, but for me it was a little bit too crowded. But it's really nice surrounding by the Julian Alps. We have a pretty good idea that we are going to come back here with the kids. You can drink here, you can drink on the other side, you can eat ice cream, you can rent SUPs. This is going to be a wonderful place for this afternoon.
Mine was better, weh? Where do you go? What?
We cannot go that way.
Come on, jump.
So we went to the apartment, got the kids, and we want to go to the rodelbaan, but it starts raining, and it's raining. It's closed because you cannot brake. Do we need brakes? I don't know. Like this side is very nice, but if you look on the other side, that's not so nice. Normally it will not rain a lot, so if it dries up, then we can go on the rodelbaan and maybe we can SUP. I hope, otherwise it will be a very boring afternoon.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Arco.
Are you happy?
Arco. Such a big hamburger. Nothing. Nothing. Spaghetti. No, thank you.
Thank you.
Spaghetti. 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 Bon appetit. Done with food, with eating, and the sun is up, so we can go on the rodelbaan. I have no idea what it is in English, rodelbaan. If somebody knows, put it here in the comments. It's a tube, there's a cart on it, and then you can go forward or brake, and then you go down the hill. So in Netherlands, in German, everywhere you see rodelbaan. But in English, no idea. It's fun.
Good luck! Bye! I'm so scared! I want to go home. Oh, I want to get out.
Ah ja, dat is juist.
Met dat naar beneden gaat en die andere.
What happened?
He throwed his hat.
It was really cool.
Yeah.
But some people are going so slow
They don't even go.
that it's just like you can walk faster. It starts raining again. We're lucky that we have been on the rodelbaan. And after an hour, the sun is back. I had to go back to the apartment because I forgot to get the GoPro with the body. So you can film it while you are paddling. Always the difficult thing if you are doing vlogs, if you are doing this for YouTube channel or something else, that you have to think how to film something, how to think about how to edit. You have to think about, oh, I have to shoot that, so afterwards I can do that with it. So I don't say it's a hard work, no, but it's not just traveling. Oh, 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 oh.
Tris wanted to throw me in the water too, but I convinced him that my GoPro was not waterproof, and he believed me. But then he realized that all the GoPros are waterproof and decided to go for it. But when I hit the water, my daughter says, "Where are your sunglasses?" I forgot to take them off.
Hello.
Take two.
So this is a free gift, but free. If you pay for the SUP, you get some kind of Fanta. It's good. It's good. Oh yeah.
It's very good.
I'm cold because I have a problem. When I get out of the water, I put my GoPro and my body cam on my shirt. So when I took my shirt, it's all wet. It's all wet, and it's evening, and the sun is going down, and it's cold. I want to have my Budapest rally shirts, but they have them.
There is one left, eh?
Yes. In the housey. Yeah, I forgot them. Okay. Potato. It's all in the details, man.
Seems so filled to death.
Man. Man.